So welcome into today's video where I'm going to guide you, teach you. I'm going to dive into a new AI. Today AI, you can see it's called Lovable dev. You can see the URL here. So this website is also an AI website where you give a command prompt and it's going to build an app or a web app or an app. So you can see these are the example of the site that was created with this, and we're going to also go ahead and create our own as well. So stay tuned as we continue to explore what is happening in the AI, how to create a website. You can see this is another one. So this particular one is for a video. You can create a video. You can see the storyline, consistent character. You can see image to video. You can see create image, edit. You can see everything here. The character, the video. You can see edit, the style, plate, and the model, apps, and community feed, and the rest. So we're also going to create our own. So these are all the templates from the site here. As you can see, these are all their templates as well. So we're also going to create ours as well. So stay tuned as we going to. So in our own case, we want to build an SEO website. So I have you will see all the prompts which I have put as well to make the. Okay, you can see this is the SEO website. You can see this SEO website is okay. Here is loading. I'm going to show you everything step by step. So as you can see, it said boost your what's website ranking with AI powered SEO. So as you can see, these are the common prompts. So as you can see from the beginning, okay, so this the message where I sent, so you can also do the same. So this particular website, you can pay for the hosting because it's going to be hosted for their in their hosting server. So this website will be yours, and don't forget this website is not a website you're just going to create and just like that. You're also going to make money because it has a pricing plan as well. So outside of that, again, you can still have an alternative in order to monetize your website again with any of the ads company like AdSense or any other platform. And also you're going to also run ads after you converted your website into an Android device app. So you're also going to monetize with AdMob. So there's also plenty options to make money from your website. You can convert it to app and make money as well, and you can also make money. If you understand what I'm saying, that means totally you're going to make money with this website in three ways. Yes, by converting your website to app, you make money. By also monetizing the website itself, you make money, and by pricing plan as well. So stay tuned as we continue to check. So this is the command prompt where I give. I want to create a SaaS SEO website. Create let the site be unique for AdSense approval. So you can see I will help you to create a unique SaaS SEO website that could meet Google AdSense approval requirements, drawing inspiration from modern SaaS design like AHR. You know that website? So this is the example of the website where it's going to take the example the inspiration from. I will create a professional and clean interface that enhance SEO tools while maintaining a unique what identity. So for the first version, I will implement. You can see all the implementation, a modern hero section. Yes, so as you can see the hero section, and you can see the next one features. That's the features highlight showcase your SEO analysis. Okay, that you can see is showing the analysis. And which one again? Your pricing section, you can see it down here. It's here, pricing section, and you see testimonial is down here. So that is how it's analyzed and it's built. As you can see, it totally built this for us. So as you can see, this website is working. So while from here, after he built, it was now asking me to connect to this. So to connect to this, it's not hard. You're just going to click on connect to Superbase. It's going to open an account, and it's going to link up with this, and that is it. So please connect Superbase project. You can see it dictates the account I open, and it's connected, and it's also, as you can see, this is how it works. So simple to create. So as you can see, let me open it wide so that you see everything yourself. So as you can see, this is the complete website that we just you just saw the command prompt, and for AI it just go ahead and do all the work for us. So as you can see, this is the complete website. So let me try a login, because I you create an account is also going to let me create an account. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to, okay, yes, you can see the name is coming up because I have already, but for the sake of tutorial, let me, as you can see, okay, TV7, okay, 7 at gmail.com. So as you can see, it's going to create the site for us. So let's go ahead and sign up. Let's see. It's asking me to save or not. Okay, so you can see so you can see account created successfully. Please, so that super base is the connection of the database to the site. So just understand that. So that's why you need to connect it. Without that connection, I won't be able to sign in or log in. So that is why you need to go ahead and connect, and then you see that it's going to implement the sign up and other options as well. So you can see I have login. So now as I log in, because it's a free plan, you don't need to, I am on trial version, so that is why it's working. So the trial version is going to show you how, or I will just use the site for some time, and I won't be able to do any other thing again. So from here, if you go to the dashboard here or here, it's going to show you all the tools we have in the website. So this site is a site where you need to log in before you get access to the tools. So not like other ones that you just go to the site and you see all the tools, because of the pricing plan. So that's why you need to hide the tools. So as you can see, let me see how to make money. So let me see this keyword if it's going to, as you can see, how to make money tools, base how to make money, software, that you can understand that. Okay, let me also go ahead and find any site. Okay, let me pick this one. So I'm going to put the URL to see for it to analyze. Let's see. Okay, the find and fix technical SEO issues is going to tell you where you're doing correct.